Welcome to day 20 of our complimentary training series, 21 Days to Better Loan Processing, brought to you by Peak Performance Coach Stephanie Graham and CompleteMortgageProcessing.com. Today's topic is making efficiency a priority. Choosing a career as a loan processor can be the greatest decision you ever made, or it can be your biggest regret. When you get really good at loan processing, it can have a positive impact on so many areas of your life. You become a great researcher, you certainly become a credit expert, and you learn a lot about legal matters without having to experience them in your own life. The key to avoiding regret is to be aware of the strengths and the weaknesses of the industry. Then set the intention of finding your flow, your sweet spot in the midst of it all. That could mean something different for each person. It might mean processing loans from home so you have time for yoga or more time with your family. It might mean choosing to process a specific type of loan, such as conventional loans or only FHA loans. Another possibility is choosing to process loans for financially savvy clients to make it easier on you. Or you may have a cause or mission and want to work with those who need more education, like first-time home buyers. The more intentional you become about the brokers and the borrowers you work with, the more joyful your journey will be. The mortgage business is never going to be perfect. Even without the housing crisis looming over our heads, you may still encounter unpleasant situations like that obnoxious guy who gets on everybody's nerves. You may become frustrated with a gossipy guy or girl that will not shut up long enough for you to get some quality work done. And let's not forget the go-getter who will step on anyone and everyone in an attempt to get the attention of management. The reality of it is that all of those things are just part of human nature. Those situations exist in offices all over the world. The name of the game for a successful career in mortgage loan processing is efficiency. It has to be the number one priority. When you lose sight of this, the business can swallow you up whole. Other people's problems and agendas can become the catalyst for months or sometimes years of stress and overwhelm. You might be saying, "What the heck? I thought she was positive Polly. Why is she telling us all this terrible stuff?" Keep calm. We're getting back to the good stuff in just a moment. But it's my mission to keep it real with you, so I share both sides of the business. When you know both sides, it's less likely that someone else's shenanigans can take you out of the game. Over the years, I became known for my commitment to process improvement. I always look for a shorter, faster, smarter way to get things done. My friends and family even tease me about it, saying, if there's another way around it or another way to do it, she'll find it. The truth is that I am more than a career coach. I'm also a mixed media artist, a dancer, and a meditation labyrinth facilitator. The best way for me to experience enough balance in my life to do those other things I love is to avoid spending ridiculous amounts of time doing things the hard way. So I make it my business to find easy ways to get things done. When systems are in place that allow you to keep your files moving along, it's so much easier to process loans in a timely manner. Here are a few areas that may directly or indirectly affect your ability to process loans efficiently. If you experience problems in any of these areas, make the commitment to address them right away. Your success depends on it. Number 1, loan origination and intake. What happens to the file before you get it for processing is crucial. If you have to double back and fix things that could have been handled at application, it will slow you down. Sometimes it might even result in a duplication of actions between you, the loan officer, or the borrower. Number 2, communication. When it comes to handling file issues, you and the loan officer should be on the same page about what needs to happen, the deadline for it, and who's accountable for it being done. Number 3, processing resources. This is a big one. Make sure you know what resources it takes to do the 3 to 5 types of loans you process more often. Make certain that the resources or information you need is easy to access long before you need it. For example, if other team members are receiving files that require bankruptcy records, a discharge for an IRS lien, or a subordination agreement, and you don't know how to do those things, don't wait until you get that same type of file and spend weeks or months struggling with it. Educate yourself so that when the time comes, you can stay on track. Number 4, authority. Going back and forth with tons of questions or waiting around for someone to approve something or show you your next step can create unnecessary delays. Find out if you can be trained or take classes that will give you a higher level of authority within your current position. A change in your credit authority, your appraisal review authority, the maximum loan size you can process, or the different types of loans that you can do can make a tremendous difference in how well your files move through the pipeline. Making efficiency a priority will keep you on track with both your career and income goals. It will reduce your stress and enhance your level of expertise. The more challenges you can eliminate early on, the more you'll enjoy being a loan processor. Want to know more about how to have a fulfilling loan processing career and time to do more of what you love? Join us in our Loan Processing Solutions class. You can find the details at CompleteMortgageProcessing.com. That's it for Day 20. Remember to join us again soon for the final segment of 21 Days to Better Loan Processing. If you enjoyed this segment, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you know someone that can be helped by this information, please share it. Until next time, wishing you all the best.